Hello. Hope you enjoyed the previous sentences. So, imagine yourself going out shopping. What could be the set of sentences you'd be using? Yeah. So, considering all your business details, let's consider some sentences you get to learn. Okay. I don't think Indians we need English sentences to bargain in the market, but still, if you have to, okay, if you have to use English in a market space, and if you feel the person ahead or in front of you knows the language well, you need to spin him in your band of English language. Okay, I have to get this nice dress from the market. Okay, I have to go sweetly ask, can I get a discount? This is your first sentence. Can I get a discount? So, if you're asking a piece of clothing or a product you want to get from the market in a lower price and you want to pay less for something, this shirt is expensive. Can I get a discount? This laptop is expensive. Can I get a discount? This camera is expensive. Can I get a discount? Yes, this is how. I tell you, you should ask. GST is raising. India is on high GST. Ask for discounts. How much will you pay whole of your earnings on one product? Ask for discounts, yeah. We should bargain. We know bargain people, we are kings and queens. They'll put all boats. Customer is a king, queen. No, they'll polish, butter us. Okay. So, can I get a discount? Is your first sentence. Next sentence is, guess. How's everything going? How is everything going? So, if you want to ask about someone's progress, yeah, English Pulse channel is really going well. I tell you, I'm very happy and contented seeing myself growing with you. So, if you want to know how someone is doing or what's their situation, what's their progress, how they are coming up, how's everything going on with your work? Okay, done. How's everything going? Next, what would be? I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it is your next sentence. Okay, when do you ask it? When you're not interested or if you're not in that mood. Okay, if you're not in the mood to do something or if you don't want to think about that. Okay, you tell, I don't feel like it. I don't want to do it. Okay, you're telling that sentence. And you want to really avoid that situation. You don't want to be there. Next sentence, what would be it? I'm in a hurry. I'm in a hurry. When would you use this sentence? You are in a very real quick mode. I'm in a hurry. Please don't disturb me. If you are getting late to college, if you have to pass the traffic, okay. I'm in a chat right now. I'm shooting for English Pulse right now. I'm in a hurry. Don't disturb me. Okay. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a chat right now. I'm in a hurry. I'm in a meeting right now. I'm in a hurry. Okay, what else you are hurry for? Mom, hurry up, I'm hungry. Then, what else you hurry at home? Come on. Text some sentences on the comments. We need more examples for other viewers also. Come on, hurry up. You're getting late. Come on, hurry up. It's late for gym. Where else we are getting late? Okay, type those sentences. Next, what would be the next sentence? I'm not sure. I'm not sure is your next sentence. Then, where would you use this? I'm not sure. If you don't know and if you can't decide, would be it's not. Then you're using I'm not sure. So, what would be a significant example for this sentence? I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether these glasses are working. I'm not sure whether there is gas in the cylinder. I'm not sure whether there are vegetables at home. I'm not sure whether our teacher is going to come for the class today. I'm not sure I'm going to attend the wedding. What else? Come on, think on more sentences. I'll give you examples. Work on the sentences. Wherever, which situation, wherever given, just use these sentences. Okay? Next. What would be the next sentence? Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? So, asking somebody to tell that thing again, repeat it. So, you didn't hear or you didn't understand, that time you ask, could you repeat that please? Would be the sentence. Next sentence, I'm really sorry. Actually, sorry is not an Indian thing. British people taught us sorry. I tell you, it has devastated humankind. We should not make mistakes. We should try to avoid them. Isn't it? Fine, we have got the word sorry. So inappropriate. But still, we have that. Okay. So, if I know people who use sorry these days, they are not apologizing sincerely. Okay, it has become a random flying word today. But still, if someone is apologizing sincerely, take that sorry. There are many songs constructed over the word sorry. Okay, listen to them. You feel sorry. When you feel truly sorry for something. I missed your call. I'm really sorry. I missed your wedding. I'm really sorry. I missed your class. I'm really sorry. I will not accept your sorry if you're missing my class on English parts. Okay? Next sentence. What would be the next sentence? Come on, come on. That's too bad. That's too bad. When you use this, when you are expressing sympathy or disappointment over something, you use this sentence. That's too bad. And if you want to show that empathy, he didn't get the job. That's too bad. He couldn't catch his flight. That's too bad. He wanted to go to US. He missed his flight. That's too bad. Next sentence. I'm looking forward to do it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. What would this mean? That means if you're excited or eager for something, I'm looking forward to it. You can't wait for something to happen, isn't it? So you tell the sentence, I'm looking forward to it. For example, the concert is next week. I'm looking forward to it. What would be next? My exams are next week. I'm looking forward to it. Only prepared students can tell that. They have that luxury. Next. What else? I'm going to Bangkok next week. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Come on. What's the next sentence? I'm just passing by. I'm just passing by. That means I'm going somewhere. I'm not staying there. That means I'm just passing by. You're just passing by. I'm not going to stay there. You're briefly in a place for a time and you're not staying. Okay. I'm just passing by. I'll be on my way. I'll be just passing by. I'll be on my way. Okay. You can practice all these 10 sentences with your own given situations. These are just illustrative examples. If you have any doubts, any queries, just comment down. Yeah? Don't forget to like that share button. Go. Thank you for watching the complete video. See you. Bye.